Guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's Workshop. Today we are gonna do the unboxing of ultrasonic humidifier, which is a 3 liter capacity. All the information is here. It consumes about 25 wattage and size is 18 by 18 by 32.5 centimeter. Let's open it and see what's inside. We have the manual over here. All the information over here, how to use it, how to simple operation of adding water and everything, safety precautions. So let's open it. And that's all. So here it is in the plastic wrapping. Let's open it. The main thing in this humidifier is this. Okay, everything, the main important thing is over here is this electrical part where the humidity is being made, where the humidity water will be go over this part and all the electronics inside. Because we have opened this kind of humidifier in our previous video. If you want to check it out what's inside of it, then you can check it. So it should be put up like this here, and we have to fill up this whole thing from here. Okay, so I'm gonna put it water over here with the tap water and come back. So I filled the water by pulling out this thing and tighten it up, open it up, place the water in here and close it, and be careful that all the water is over here inside of it. So be sure that you are gonna put it right side on this part like this. Our work is here is done. All the water is gonna put up on the humidifier setup, and all the water we have put will have a perfect height, so we can place all the water up to here, but I have put very less. So let's open it up. You can see it just started making the very dense humidity right away as soon as we open it up. So you can see it is really dense humidity. Let me close the fan and then see. So if we need the direction of this, we can place this thing and it's directional. It looks like a smoke, but it's a water. It's a really nice product for making your room humidity high, or using products like incubator or something like that. So you can see it's really nice humidity coming from. So what if I put it up to the highest? This is the highest setting and it is the lowest setting. You're gonna go, it's not making it all, so it's closed. Increasing it slowly, it started. So we can close it just like this. It have been closed, now it's on, and this is the highest. This is a simple usage of this humidifier. Just put up the water over here, place it on it, open it up, and then let it away. So it can be attached with the XM19 or any other controller for controlling it with the help of humidity sensor. Otherwise you can use it for as a timer. It's really working great. So if you like this humidifier unboxing and working video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.